We could all do with a little comforting right now, so I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you the most comforting Kiwi tradition. I'm talking about the Tim Tam Slam. All you'll need are some Tim Tams, which are cookies made of 2 biscuits sandwiching chocolate cream and covered in milk chocolate. You'll also need to make a hot cup of Milo, which is a malted chocolate powder, and hands down New Zealand's chocolate beverage of choice. Start by adding 6 teaspoons of Milo to a large cup. 1 teaspoon sugar. Pour over 3/4 of a cup of boiling water and a dash of milk. Stir until completely dissolved. And given that it's November of 2020, add a little rum or whiskey. For this next part, make sure the Milo is hot but not scalding. Take your Tim Tam and bite off both ends like so. And using the Tim Tam like a straw, suck the Milo up through the other end, and as soon as you feel it touch your lips, slam that bad boy in your mouth. Here we go. To me, that's good. The Milo completely transforms the Tim Tam. It explodes in your mouth, and it melts just like a molten lava chocolate cake. Ooh. Well, I don't mind if I do. So good. You might want to keep the kettle on though, because these guys are kind of dangerous. I hope you all give these a whirl at home, and here's to wishing everyone a happy Thanksgiving.